Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel also. I'm gonna title this video, man, buy cash flow, buy monthly cash flow. I'm gonna give y'all some REITs, some BDCs, and this one you also got some monthly paying ETFs. Most popular ones right now are the yield maxes and the Defiance ones. Some of the yield maxes also pay out weekly. I'll do a separate video on those. But I'm gonna give y'all the ones that are in buy range now that I am buying, man. Let's get to it. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch some recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, let's start off with Alma Residential REIT. This is a real estate and investment trust. Remember, REITs and BDCs, business development companies, got to pay 90% of their taxable income out to shareholders in dividends. You cannot be a REIT or BDC if you don't pay a dividend. All right, Alma Residential REIT. You see today, man, this thing came on down. Right now trading below the $16 mark. Got down to $15.90, but in the aftermarket, in the post market, must have went back up to $16.23. But I did buy something in that range. Go see what it's going to do tomorrow. Anyway, got a 52-week low of $13.18 with a high of $21.08. I like this stock at 19 and under. It usually never goes below the 19. You usually play between the 19 and the $21 mark. But right now, you know, the market is bad, so you need to take advantage of these pullbacks. For the last 6 months, just show you what it is, man. It was 1921, it came down to 1397. We know tariffs, but that happened with Donald Trump in April. Everything came on down, so that's about the lowest point. Everything that got a 52-week low made a 52-week low in April, as you can see on this chart. That's when Trump started that tariff wars and everything dropped, but been up since then. But anyway, man, 24 cents a share a month. Average trade volume 2.84 million. Market cap 1.54 billion with a dividend yield 18.11%, paying $2.88 a share out monthly. This is also one you can kind of swing trade too, because it does move quick. The average trade value is 2.84 million with a regular trade value of 17.88. So look what the analysts got it as a whole. We know right now with the REITs, they getting beat down now. So a lot of them are most of them are missing earnings. The most they are doing are meeting earnings. Some of them are beating it, but most REITs and BDCs are missing earnings, which is expected right now due to the interest rates. But once they decrease the rates, REITs and the BDCs are going to go up. All right, we're going to go to ORC, Orchid Island. Might get some pushback on some of these. Some people might wonder whether the dividend is sustainable or not. Y'all got to figure, man, but they paying y'all a dividend yield of 18%. Things not going well, and they cut it down to 16 or 17, man, you still winning. Just keep on buying, reinvest the dividends. All right. Orchid Island paying 12 cents a share a month. 52-week low, $5.69 with a high of $9.01. I buy this stock at $8 and under. Average trade volume 4 million with a regular trade 4.27 million. Market cap is under $1 billion. Only thing I don't like, but right now it's cheap. You know, the higher the share price go up, the higher the market cap. 886 million, still higher than most REITs. Because REITs are getting stumped right about now. Dividend yield 20.6%. Paying $1.44 out a month. Like I said, I like this at the $8 and under. I already got 1,000 shares. Well, I actually got a couple thousand in my Weaver portfolio. I get a payment for like $360 a month from ORC. I just reinvested dividends to another play. But that's ORC. Next we're gonna go with OXSQ, Oxford Square Capital, which is a BDC. Trading right now at $2.35, 52-week low, $2.14 with a high of $3.07. This one I used to always swing trade in the past. I used to buy it below the $2.80 mark. Never thought it actually went down to $2.14, but it is what it is. And I used to hold it. Pay a dividend of 3.5 cents a share a month. I used to always resell it, and scalp profits at the $3.23, $3.25 mark. But can't beat these prices here. I'm planning on doing the same thing. I'm gonna hold it once I get to about the $3 mark. I'm gonna take scalp profits and save the rest for a dividend, or I might just exit in and put all of the money, the gains, and what I had invested into like a ULTY, USOY, something that pay out weekly. But got an average trade volume 585K, market cap 1.79 million. That's the only problem. Dividend yield 17.87%. Got a 52-week low of $2.14 with a high of $3.07. All right, let me give y'all this last one. I want to make the video long. I know y'all don't like long videos. So we got ORCARROXSQ. I'm going to give you another one I like. The dividend yield is not high, but it's a nice swing trade here, especially if you want to own land. Ticker LAND. This is a product of Gladstone. You got Gladstone land. You got Glad. You got land. You got good. You got Glad and Gain. You got the BDC, the REIT, the commercial real estate. Then the other one. I'm gonna do a separate video on all Gladstone products. But if you want to own land, it's a cheaper way for you to get into it, own and make money just from holding shares. As you see, it's right now at $9.15. Got a 52-week low of $8.66 with a high of $14.88. Dividend yield of 6.15%. Market cap $330 million. Average trade volume 377K. Like I said, it's pay 50 cents a share out yearly. But you got some upside to this share. Like I said, the 52-week low is $14.88. You buying it at $9. If this goes back up to $12, you can make $3 a share there while getting a 6.15% yield. So this one I'm also buying about $5 a day below the $10 mark. And you can see in the last month it did go back up to $10.80 and came back down. So you brought it when it was at the $9 mark. You made $1.80 a share there while getting a 6% dividend for holding it. But those are the four, man. I want to throw in the land because it has some upside to it. And I'm gonna give y'all one more play right here, man. PSCC. Let's do this one here. Got Prospect Capital. Definitely gonna get some pushback on this one. It's at $2. Ooh, Lord. See, it's at $2.83 to $2.81 the day for the low, and it went up in the after hours to $2.94. It pays 4.5 cents a share a month. 52-week low, $2.80 with a high of $5.57. Average trade volume 3.35 million. This is a perfect start to swing trade. Buying this now, this gonna go back. I was buying this at $3.12 and $3.15 and under, and I sell it every month at $3.38. Then I keep the rest for the dividend. I was doing that to lower my average cost. I got one portfolio or position, should I say, at like $3.76. I brought it down. The other one I got down to like want to say it's 5 something, might be 4 something, because I brought like 250 shares the other day. So I know it brought it down. I got to check my Robinhood portfolio. But man, see the trade volume on this is crazy. Got 3 billion plus trades a day. Market cap 1.31 billion. It was paying 6 cents a share out monthly, but they reduced it. I want to say in April, they reduced it to 4.5 cents a share. So they saving money, operating lean, I guess paying off some debt. But 19.08% yield, paying 54 cents a share out yearly. Like I said, it pays you 4.5 cents a share a month. So those are the cash flow plays I'm buying. The analyst got this is underperforming, which it is. This is a nice swing trade though. Buying this at, like I say, $2.80. Go back up to $3.25. You made 45 cents a share. You brought a lot of this in volume. Got 1,000+ shares. You can make some money on that and get paid 4.5 cents a share a month for holding it, man. Signing off. Go get your money.